Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. Today I will teach you General Entries Part 5. Okay, these are some unique entries and I made these entries in the form of question. Okay, and after that this chapter is over. Let us start with the question. Pass general entries for the following transactions. Okay. First transaction is purchased a horse for business for rupees 1 lakh and payment is made by check. Okay. So horse is your livestock. Okay. So you have to pass entry livestock account debited. Debited to bank because you are making payment through check bank account. Okay, what is the amount? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And then you have to write narration. Purchased a horse. Payment is made by check. Okay. Next is paid to landlord by check 1,20,000 rupees for rent. 1/3 of the building is occupied by a proprietor for personal use. For personal use, as you know, we have to write drawings account, and 2/3 is used for business purposes. So you have to pass entry like this. Rent account debited. Drawings account debited for personal use. Okay. 2. You are making payment through check, the bank account. Okay. You have to pass narration. 2/3 building is used for office. And 1/3 by proprietor. Okay. So in bank column you have to write, in credit column you have to write 1,20,000 and 1/3 of this is how much? 3 4s are 12. 40,000 is the amount of drawings and 2/3 80,000 is the amount of rent for office. Okay. Next, above horse bought died. Carcass was sold for rupees 10,000. So this is a loss. Okay. So you are receiving cash for the carcass. So cash account debited 10,000. Okay. And profit and loss account debited. Profit and loss account. Next is paid 3,000 for subscribing for newspaper and magazines. It is your miscellaneous expenditure. Miscellaneous expenditure. Account debited to cash, and this 3,000. Okay. Next is sold household furniture for rupees 1 lakh and paid the money into business. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि when he is paying in the business, तो it is fresh capital introduced in the business. तो cash account debited to capital. Narration you have to write here. Sold household furniture for rupees this and paid money into business. Okay. 1 lakh. Debit is always equal to credit. Next question is generalize the following transaction in the books of Kamal. Okay. First of all, you have to write at the top of format general of Kamal when name is given. Okay. Otherwise, you have to write only general. Okay. Bought goods from Nilesh for cash and also paid rupees 1,000 for their carriage. Okay. 1,000 for their carriage. So it is a credit purchase or a cash purchase. When cash is given with the name, so you have to treat it this transaction as cash transaction. Okay, you are purchasing, the purchase account debited because you are purchasing goods. तो purchase account debited, and carriage you have to write it separately in case of goods. Okay, carriage account debited, or you can write carriage inward. At the time of purchase, carriage is inward होता है. 2, you are making payment cash account. Okay, 50,000 purchases, 1,000 is the amount of carriage, total cash is going out 51,000. Okay, next is paid to Sita 9650 in full settlement of 10,000. So it means you are making payment. Who is the receiver in this case? Sita is the receiver. So Sita account debited to cash account to discount received. As I have already told you earlier, discount always comes on the side of cash or bank. Okay, that 10,000 in Sita, and cash is going out for 9650 and discount is 350. You have to write narration from here only. Next is purchase a machinery by giving a check. Machinery by check of rupees 3 lakh and paid 25,000 cash as wages for its installation. In case of fixed assets, if there are some expenses on its installation that are added to the cost of that particular asset. Okay, so in this case you have to debit machinery by how much? 3 lakh plus 25,000. 3 lakh 25,000. Okay. 2, you are giving check of rupees 3 lakh to bank account 3 lakh, and you are giving cash how much? 25,000 for installation charges. So 25,000. Okay. Right here, purchase machinery by check 3 lakh and 25,000 cash for wages on its installation. This is the narration. Okay. Next, bricks for 15 lakh and timber for rupees 10 lakh purchase for construction of building. The payment is made by check. The bricks and timber both are used for making building. The building account debited. Building account debited. Okay. 2, payment is made by check at the 2 bank account. Bricks 15 lakh plus timber 10 lakh. 25 lakh is the amount of construction of building. Okay. And both amounts are paid through check है, इसलिए you have to total it and write it in amount column. In narration you have to write from here. Okay. Next, purchase an old machinery for rupees 1 lakh and spent 5,000 on its carriage and 20,000 on its immediate repair. Entire payment is made by check. In this case, you are purchasing old machinery, and immediately if you are expending some expenses, these were added to the cost of that asset. Okay, so here you have to debit machinery account by how much? 1 lakh plus 5,000 plus 20,000. So 1 lakh 25,000. 2, entire payment is made by check to bank account. 1 lakh 25,000. Okay. You have to write narration from here. Next is paid 2,500 for repair of office furniture. This is revenue expense. You have to write it. Repair account debited cash account 2500, 2500. Okay, next in the last you have to total it, this amount, debit and credit, it must be equal. This is all about general entries. I have made 5 videos, part 1 to part 5 for general entries. Now this chapter is almost complete. I try my level best to take each and every type of transaction.